Good afternoon. It is December the 19th, 2016, probably the last week of reasonable trading of the year. It's tough to operate as you wind down into holidays. The volatility decreases and the trading becomes tougher. Less range, less volatility. Looking at the E-mini at the close of business today, you're looking at a trading range. We've got a seller above definitely above 67, and we've got a buyer definitely below 48. And we're just kind of right in the middle. So no news to drive the markets tomorrow. I'd look for more of the same. I do think the bias is to the upside. We like the long side of the market because my idea is that we're going to close it higher on Friday's close. So we come in the morning looking for places to buy it. Based on the close here at 60.75, our sell is stops above the day session high at 63.75, so we'll be selling 64s to 66s. Sell 1, 69 to 71, sell 2. On the buy side, it'll be 54 to 56, buy 1. Then 50, 52, buy 2. And that's the way we'll play it for tomorrow. Looking at the 10-year note, strong day in treasuries. The attack in Berlin, the attack in Turkey, the South China Sea, them actually stealing our drone. So a lot of reasons to buy treasuries today. And the E-mini really wasn't setting the house on fire to the upside either. So right here, the market looks like it wants to retry resistance. So we've got an 11 to 15 sell, 19 to 23 for sell 2. We can buy it on the cheap early, 1 to 5. As we get deeper in the session, we'll lower that. But right off the bat, 1 to 5 looks pretty good. Then 25 to 29 for buy 2. No news to drive the trading, the direction of the E-mini, and there might be overnight news. I didn't see if Trump had officially taken the presidency with the Electoral College, but my guess is that there's no way he will not get it. Too much at stake for him not to get it, even for the Democrats. But political in the United States do not look for any agreement across the aisles. Just as they'll be at each other's throats, in my opinion. Too bad, but it's where we find ourselves these days. 149 even, 149.04 is number 1. Sell 1, 7 to 11, picking up this area right over in here. Sell 2, 19 to 23. On the buy side, we did get down to 22 on the last, so 20, 24, buy 1 will be number 1, so 13 to 17, buy 1. And 1 to 5, buy 2. Looking at gold, my guess we're just looking at a trading range all week in gold. We're just kind of stuck. So the end of the seller is really at 11.50 right up there. You can see that, but we haven't gotten there yet. Pretty square distribution, perhaps leaning to the B side. So we'll make our first sell 43. 45, sell 1, 49, 51, sell 2. On the buy side, the trend is down, so 35, 37, buy 1. And 29, 31, buy 2. Okay, crude oil. Today held in there pretty well in spite of all of the cheating stories that we heard everywhere, or not going to comply. The assassination of the Russian ambassador in Turkey certainly adds some instability to the market. So what's going to happen on that? Nobody really knows. So pretty clearly a seller in the 53.50 area. So 53 and a quarter, 53.50 sell one. 53.75, 54 sell two. And then where we were this morning, 50.50, 50.75 buy one. 52, 52 and a quarter buy two. And last but not least, the euro, probably more so stuck in a trading range, but we have had some volatility in the dollar, so we might get a little extra action on that. Clearly there's a seller. Obviously the powers that be would like to have the euro lower, more exports outside of the European Union, but I mean the problems seem almost never ending over there. Last rotate up stopped at 76. We're currently at 50, so 104.75 sell one, 105 even sell two. And on the buy side, looks like we're trying to trade lower, so let's go for 104.25 and then 104 even for buy two. And that's going to do it for this December the 19th, 2016, as the trading year winds down. We'll be with you bright and early in the morning. Hope you have a great evening, and I plan on a great evening myself, and we'll get after it in the morning. I'm out of here.